Sherry from Haiyuan Water Treatment Company. Now I introduce one unit for you. This our plant is we made for Myanmar plant for hospital drinking. The capacity is 1,000 liters per hour. Process flow chart is double stage reverse osmosis. Now we introduce from here. Here, this is feed water pump. Pressure, feed water pressure. Center filter, carbon filter, water softener. Control valve we use automatic. Each filter we have installed pressure gauge. If the filter need backwash, based on the water pressure, it will automatic backwash and for water wash. This part is our skid. Here we can see there are 4 flow meters or one stage permeate flow meter. This one will connect the one stage clean water tank. This one is will connect the one stage concentrated water tank. The second concentrated water will be discharged to sewer. The second permeate water will have been connected to UV sterilizer. The UV sterilizer outlet will connect the clean water tank for drinking. Because this process is double stage reverse osmosis, the outlet water is very good. It can for drinking, for bottled water, for dialysis water. This is how to online conductivity multimeter. First stage clean water quality online monitor. The second stage. Here we have float switch. This will for control the water tank never or full. It will automatic. They have their pressure gauge. All the member brand, the alternate we have installed simple valve. The simple valve we also use stainless steel. It can take out for testing. Take out test each member brand water quality. Pressure switch. This is first stage high pressure pump, second stage high pressure pump. Microfilter, high pressure. This plant we have done 4 units. The second one. The second one is also same process, same this. Because our client want the water for drinking need a very good quality, so all the material we use stainless steel and use ground hose pump. Like this. You can hear our weather line. Our weather line. Weather joint is very good. Is very smooth. This is our weather have made it. Our weather have certification. Also, we have other engineers also have good technology have the international engineer certification for more water treatment, drinking water plant, dialysis water plant, water plant. You can take me. Thank you very much.